Welcome everyone. So today what we are going to understand is we are going to figure out of these two given values which one is the greater value. Okay. Now please understand, in this particular scenario I'm going to use a method with which you can actually solve this very easily, and this will be mostly applicable in most of the sums, similar kind of sums. Okay. So now what happens is, see, 3 and 4, they are very close. Let's forget the 2 right now. Okay, they are very close. Now, if you look closely, when I do 4 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 5, what happens is 3 raised to 5 gets me what? 243. And 4 raised to 4. At this point, they are very close to each other. Okay. So this becomes 256. But I can say that is still smaller. 3 raised to 5 is still smaller than 4 raised to 4. So obviously now let's try to make things equal to or close to 100. So I can also say that 3 raised to 96 will be smaller than 4 raised to 96, right? Okay. And when I multiply these two, what happens is the indices get added. So I can say 3 raised to 101 is smaller than 4 raised to 96 plus 4 will get you 100. Now this is very important for you all to understand, because from here your actual sum starts. Okay, because from here we have understood that 3 raised to 101 is smaller than 4 raised to 100. Okay, now what I can do is, see, I can write this 3 raised to 101 as nothing but what? 3 raised to 100 plus 1 is still smaller than 4 raised to 100. So now let's split this, because again, as you know that a raised to m plus n can also be written as what? A raised to m into a raised to n, right? So this can be written as what? 3 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 100, which is still smaller than 4 raised to 100. Now let's write this 3 in terms of 2. Okay, so what happens is I can write this as nothing but what? 2 plus 1 into 3 raised to 100, which is still smaller than 4 raised to 100. Okay, so let's multiply this. So this will get you what? 2 times 3 raised to 100 plus 3 raised to 100 is smaller than 4 times 4 raised to 100. Okay, so can I write this as nothing but what? 3 raised to 100 plus 2 times 3 raised to 100 can be written as what? 3 raised to 100, 2 plus 3 raised to 100, and this 3 raised to 100 will be written ahead. Please understand, if you have got stuck or if you got lost, 2 times of any number. See, I'll just write this. 2 times of a can be written as what? A plus a, right? So here also 2 times of 3 raised to 100 is written as what? 3 raised to 100 plus 3 raised to 100. And obviously that is smaller than 4 raised to 100. And if you see 2 raised to 100 plus 3 raised to 100, that's our question, right? That is definitely going to be smaller than 3 raised to 100 plus 3 raised to 100 plus 3 raised to 100, which is still smaller than what? 4 raised to 100. So obviously I can say that out of these two values given, 4 raised to 100 is the greater value. Okay, so that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.